Good morning, classmate. Good morning, Ma'am Tyson. This is the presentation of Group 3. Dumagat's origin is the same with Aitas in northern Luzon. Their ancestral origin is traced from Negritos, which is one of the earliest inhabitants in the Philippines. They are found in the hillsides and mountains of Quezon, Bulacan, Rizal, and Laguna provinces. So, yung mga Dumagats daw, sila po ay makikita sa parteng Luzon at sa mga nakatira sila sa mga mountains. Dumagats, they eventually learn to mingle with the mainstream population and adopt the latter's way of living. The Dumagats' source of livelihood is fishing, farming, and hunting. Since mga nasa province sila nakatira and sa mga mountain, nagtatanim din sila doon na mga pwede nilang kainin at pwede rin nilang ipangkabuhayan. Nangingisda rin sila at nangantik sa mga kagubatan. Isa sa mga problema na na-encountered ng mga Dumagat ay lack of access in education. Dahil nga po sila ay matatagpuan sa malalayong lugar, ito ay nakakaapekto sa pag-access nila sa edukasyon. Kulang din po sila sa mga paaralan at limitado lamang ang mga facilities na nakakaapekto sa kanilang edukasyon. Hirap din po sila sa transportasyon at dahil po doon, maraming mga bata sa komunidad ng Dumagat ang hirap makapasok ng regular at makakuha ng tamang edukasyon.
To obtain education system do not respect indigenous people neighbors. They are too few teachers who speak their language in the school often lack basic materials. Educational materials that provide accurate information on indigenous people and their ways of life are particularly
Language and cultural barriers. The mainstream system in the Philippines primarily uses Filipino and English as a medium of instruction, which may not cater to the linguistic and cultural needs of Dumagat students. The absence of the instruction in their native language can hinder their learning and retention of their knowledge.
Limited access to basic services. Dumagat communities often lack access to basic services such as healthcare, clean water, and sanitation facilities. This lack of infrastructure affects the overall well-being of community members and hampers efforts to improve living conditions and community development.
As far as we all know, not only the Dumagats IP group are experiencing those problems, such as lack of educational access and the cultural and language barrier. And the solution we can think of is our willingness to help and giving them open arms in any types of situation and any kinds of problem they are experiencing, from our national government to our local government, down to us normal citizens of this country. All of us are aware that our government beholds the most influential power that can really have impact and keep changes to this crisis our country is currently experiencing and continue to experience on. Just like the Dumagats IP group that forced to leave the seashore and retreat to mountain near the riverbanks. As our saying goes, culture diversity provides inclusivity. Our willingness and openness to help, along with respecting the cultures and traditions of our IP groups, just like the Dumagats IP group, can really have a huge impact and bring positive changes that benefits not only our indigenous people, but also us Filipino and the citizen of our country.
One possible solution to the problems faced by IP Group Dumagat is to provide them with access to quality education and healthcare. This can help empower the community and improve their overall well-being, additionally promoting sustainable livelihood opportunities and preserving their cultural heritage can contribute to their economic and social development.